In today's fast-paced and ever-changing business world, manufacturing excellence is a crucial requirement for all organizations, and a successful way to achieve this is through Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese term that means change for the better or continuous improvement. Therefore, the main philosophy of Kaizen is making small, incremental improvements to processes and systems on a regular basis. Kaizen involves everyone in the organization, from top management to frontline workers. It's a team effort that requires communication, collaboration, and a willingness to embrace change. Some of the goals of implementing Kaizen include eliminating waste, increasing efficiency, and improving overall quality. Kaizen typically follows a structured approach known as the plan, do, check, and act, or PDCA cycle. The PDCA cycle ensures that changes are made with a clear purpose, tested for effectiveness, and then integrated into the standard operating procedures of the organization.